So what is GTmetrix? In this fast-paced digital world, if your website doesn't load quick, that could spell disaster. So let's look into the free-to-use GTmetrix. You can sign up and get a free account, and that'll give you some extras that you don't get with the not registering your name. So reviewing your results with things like PageSpeed score from Google, YSlow score from Yahoo, etc., is going to give you a really good way to compete and make your site load quicker that it doesn't normally have. The advantages of GTmetrix comes in form of advanced features. These are the things like the waterfall chart analysis, video playback that you can, make your report into a video so you can show it to somebody, or a client perhaps. You can also monitor and get alerts to different websites. If you've got a site that goes down every night for a few minutes, you want to know when and why that is and how long it lasts, then set up a monitor to tell you that information. It's a very powerful tool. It's a free tool. I want you to give it a look. Go to the Google document for the basic guide to using GTmetrix. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, heck, it's even in the GuyRCook.com. I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.